Good morning. So it's really early right now and Matt is still sleeping, but he's allowing me to be a stay-at-home girlfriend. So I have to do the Nora Smith whisper until he wakes up. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare breakfast for us. Come with me as I train to be a housewife. My baby is also already fed and taken care of this morning. Do you care if it's seeds in here?
Yeah.
Really?
There shouldn't be any seeds.
I like seeds.
You better not leave any seeds.
Okay.
Okay?
Maybe just a couple.
Okay, only two. I'm gonna punish you if you keep going like that.
You're gonna punish me?
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
That's what we do in Turkey. Okay?
Okay.
Make the breakfast ready
It's almost
and
done.
don't talk too much.
It's almost done.
I lovingly and consciously release all energies, thoughts, and influences that cloud my focus. I don't know how to pronounce this. Misalign my intentions and drain my sacred energy. More affirmations from Hoop.
Quit acting like you can't read.
What's that? Hood Healer.
So this is an affirmation that was like a bookmark for me. And it says, I lovingly and consciously release all energies, thoughts, and influences that cloud my focus, misalign my intentions, and drain my sacred energy. And I got this affirmation from the Hood Healer. So y'all should go follow her on Instagram. That's my girl.
We don't care.
They do care.
We don't care.
They care. We care.
Do you? Say something about that.
About what?
About if they care.
I care. Do you all care about healing, love, and affirmations? Yes, I think so. Or do you more so care about self-destruction and hatred? Which one? Today is a beautiful day.
Oh, don't talk too much. Prepare the breakfast, okay? Don't look at me like that.
I'm just saying. Do you want some of this?
Maybe I will. She made me angry, yo. F-cheer.
What is F-cheer?
What is this? Something like that.
Is that Kurdish or something?
Yeah, it was Kurdish.
When are you gonna start teaching
I'm Kurdish, y'all.
When are you gonna start teaching me Kurdish?
I don't know.
Like with the stuff that I already know in Turkish, you should teach it to me in Kurdish so it can all come together.
Kurdish and English, Kurdish and Turkish totally different.
Okay, what's good morning in Kurdish?
Rojbash.
Rosbash.
Rojbash. J.
Rojbash.
Yeah.
Rojbash. Rojbash.
Are.
What is that? Are.
Yes.
Are. See?
No, are, not ere.
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 Belly.
Belly. Okay, last is the cheese.
You prepare the breakfast without brewing tea.
I have nothing to say. So are you going to start brewing it now?
Yeah.
You're a dummy. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe like one block of each.
Angle is nice. I don't know.
Down here. See, you gotta let the lady be the boss of things sometimes. Some things you just don't know about.
What is that? You holding
Bachak.
Okay.
Okay.
I felt
Threatened.
you're threatening me.
Why are you criticizing me?
I'm not criticizing.
Yes, you are. Like
I'm
that?
talking about facts. I do absolutes. You know this guy?
No, what is that?
Talking facts, yeah, I don't do if, buts and maybes, I do absolutes.
I have prepared. It's not time to eat yet. We eat together. So I'm about to prepare the table and we're gonna have breakfast. I'm excited. We have peynir, biber, salatalık, domates, acı sauce, apricot, reçel,
Peynir.
daha peynir, bal, tuz ve ekmek. Afiyet olsun. Let's get into the details of his robe. Why he's treating me like this. How do you feel?
What's wrong with my robe?
Oh, nothing, sir. It suits you very well.
It's slight pink.
Yeah.
Slightly pink.
Only a real man can pull out pink.
Some, what is this?
Flowers. Çiçekler.
Yeah, some çiçek.
Çiçek.
Flowers.
Yeah. Only real men can wear
I'm
stuff
a
like that.
gentleman.
Yeah. We have to be serious.